Yesterday, one of the television production companies on the island facilitated a workshop on television production funded by the International Program for Developing Communication, or IPDC, at UNESCO. Kilocut's Production and Gary Foster from Promotion Video Limited invited 2 government departments to participate in learning technical skills to learn, create a television production. According to Gary Foster, television production is collaborative and each interest should be acknowledged in producing television broadcasts. A veteran in television production from stunt work to short films, international acclaimed movies, Mr. Foster said he is always pleased to pass on his knowledge to potential television crew. Yesterday morning, also, Associate Minister of UNESCO, Honourable Esther Pavihi, represented government in applauding the initiative by Kilocuts and government's encouragement of private sector development. The workshop will end on Friday morning before Mr. Foster departs back to New Zealand.